I've worked with Dr. DeDecker for the last 7 years in many different assets of welfare. Some of the main areas where she's had not just an impact in Smithfield, but an impact in the industry is sow housing and research development of equipment. She has a huge impact here on our animal care committee as well, talking about the trends that are going on in the industry along with what's priority here with Smithfield.
I believe Dr. DeDecker is very deserving of this innovation award. I have worked with her for the past 14 years at Smithfield Hog Production in the Science and Technology Department and have firsthand experience of what a great researcher and scientist that she is. Ashley conducts over 40 to 50 research trials per year in all different disciplines to benefit swine production. A few examples are disease prevention. She has worked to improve sow productivity, and probably one of the most recent ones is to reduce broken needles within growing animals so that we don't have any issues at our plants. I am very proud to have her as a part of the team that I work with, and she's extremely deserving of this award.
I'm from Illinois on third generation family pig and grain farm. So I've been around pigs my whole life. And when you're growing up, besides being a princess, try to think, what do I want to do with my life? And pigs is what I knew. It was what I was comfortable with. So decided to pursue a PhD in swine welfare at University of Illinois. I want to give back to the pig industry because they supported my education, a lot of scholarships through pork producers. I want to give back to production. That's what I like. So Smithfield was developing a new research department, and what better to go work for the largest hog company in the world and make things better for pig welfare, for producers, and anything that has to do with the livestock industry. So I've been with Smithfield for 12 years as the director of production research. I come to work every single day trying to be innovative, which makes it really fun. And I get to see all the new technology and innovations that are being developed as kind of like a first-hand say, hey, what do you think about this? Is this something Smithfield would be interested in? Which is always interesting to see where we could be in the next 5 years. And it's just a privilege to be able to be working in North Carolina and Smithfield, doing what I love every single day, which is helping pigs and helping people, providing a product and using innovation technology to get there. I can go on forever when you think about all the amazing women leaders in our industry. There's so many, and it's an honor to be considered a peer to a lot of them, but even more so that they thought of me when they thought of the word innovation. But to even be considered in the same category as some of these outstanding women leaders, and that's what they are leaders in this industry. And it's exciting to see what all of them, us, what we're going to be able to do in the next 10, 20 years. That's what is the best part of my job is, I think, innovation with all the challenges that come their way. Pork producers are the most determined and resilient people that no matter what comes their way, we will find innovation, which is improving on an existing idea or something new to get to where we need to, which is feeding the world and raising our pigs responsibly.